How to transfer your Reliance rental equipment when moving. As a longtime realtor, one of the biggest and most discombobulating issues when moving or selling your house is the transfer of the rental equipment. This is the rental hot water tank, the furnace, the air conditioning, or whatever else you have rented from Reliance. Selling your home with Reliance rental equipment can be a confusing process for both the buyer and the seller. To make it simpler, I've outlined the steps below. All of this information comes from the Reliance Home Comfort website. The link is provided up here and in the description notes below. The steps are from the Reliance Ontario website. So, in the process of selling, continue paying your monthly rental bill to Reliance to maintain coverage on your rental equipment until the date you move, ensuring uninterrupted service. Then inform your real estate agent about transferring the Reliance rental equipment. Include the rental equipment details and the assumption in the agreement of purchase and sale agreement. If your prospective buyer has any questions regarding the rental program or equipment, encourage them to call Reliance. Reliance would be happy to speak with them. Now, if you sold your home, once your home is sold, advise Reliance of the transfer by completing their online form or calling Reliance at the 1-800 number provided in the description below. You will need to provide the closing date and the purchaser's name as well as your forwarding address. Ask your buyer to contact Reliance to provide their contact information so Reliance can finalize the setup of their account. The new owner may assume the existing rental agreement, maintaining parts and labor coverage according to the rental agreement. This helps ensure they won't have to worry about replacing, repairing, or maintaining their water heating or HVAC equipment. As a seller, you are responsible for the rental agreement until it's transferred to the buyer. Once your buyer pays their first bill, they have legally assumed the rental. If your buyer is assuming a rental furnace or air conditioner, ask the real estate lawyer to help you complete an assumption agreement as part of the move process. Your lawyer can email requests to Reliance Home Comfort and to obtain this information. If you've bought a home with rental equipment, call Reliance Monday and Saturday to learn more about the rental equipment in your new home. The phone number is provided below. If your family's needs differ from the previous owners, you can upgrade your equipment that better suits your lifestyle. Once you have purchased your home, let Reliance know by completing our online form or calling Reliance at a different number, so you'll need to provide the closing date and your contact information. If you are assuming a rental, furnace, or air conditioner, the real estate lawyer will help you sign an assumption agreement as part of the move process. Oh, let's make this simple. If you are all able to forget the rental and buy out equipment so you no longer need to deal or pay with Reliance, the process can be complicated, and often when calling the helpline, you're talking to someone who does not work for Reliance, but a subcontractor or a call center in another country. For more tips for moving, subscribe to my channel, Lana Burnley, and click that like button. This information is provided in this video is found at reliancehomecomfort.com/move/request form. The link is in the description notes below.